Hi, welcome to the video. I'm going to be doing a review of a Kala U bass or a Kala uke bass. This is one of these basses here. I'm going to demonstrate some different styles on the U bass. I'm also going to talk about how it's constructed and what you can use it for. This one's mahogany and it's got a lovely grain and a lovely colour to it. It's got a rosewood bridge and a rosewood fretboard. Now the strings on it are polyurethane. They're a silicone type string, so they're a lot fatter. They take a bit of getting used to, and along with the 21-inch scale, which is very short for a bass, it's a little bit awkward to play at first, but after you've had a play around and a practice on it, you soon work out how to play it. Now it's got a pickup in the bridge, and it's also got a tone and volume control and a built-in tuner, and it's also got hip shot tuners. So to me it sounds a lot like a double bass, especially when it's plugged in. It's got a deep percussive sort of sound. It also sounds a bit like an electric with flat wound strings on it. So it's great to use when you want that sort of sound instead of an electric or double bass. And for a double bass player it's great if you can't take your double bass out for some reason, if you haven't got transport that day or it won't fit in a venue or you're flying, then this is a great alternative. Obviously it's not exactly the same, but you can get a good sound, a good similar sound to a double bass. So you'd have heard me playing this at the beginning of the video acoustically, and now I'm going to plug it in through Logic with no effects into the computer. And I'm going to do a mega mix or a mashup or a medley, whatever you want to call it, of a load of different tunes, so you can hear how versatile the uke bass is. So I've written this whole mega mix out with tab. If you'd like a copy of that, then click the link in the description below and I'll email that to you. So that will be really useful to take away, and you can play along with me either on an electric or uke bass or a double bass, and you can play those lines along with me. Well, that's my mega mix. That's a bit of fun. I really enjoyed putting that together, and hopefully you heard how great the instrument is and how versatile it is. I highly recommend the uke bass. They've got a great sound, they're very versatile, and they're really easy to carry around. They also come with a soft case as well. So remember, you can download the PDF, and I've got tabs on that as well by clicking the link in the description. Also, please like, share and comment on the video. I'd love to hear what you think of the uke bass. If you've got one, please leave a comment. I'd like to hear about that. You might want to check out the other videos on my YouTube channel. I've got lessons on technique, how to read music, theory. I've got different bass lines. So if you subscribe, you won't miss all my new videos as they come out. You can also look at my website, gregsbassshed.com. I've got my videos up there. I've got more information about what I do. I've got a products page with my bass beginners book. So take a look at that. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next lesson.